Join Kids Hat family.
Oh no, I lost the marathon again this time. Hey Bill, you did well. But you know what? Maybe if you start eating healthy, you could do better in sports. I have seen you eating a lot of junk food in the school cafeteria. Really? I don't think you can even run the marathon half as good as me, can you? Your advice was not needed at all, Tofu. What happened, Tofu? Why do you look so upset? Tia, I just advised Bill to eat healthy food so he could do better in sports, but he responded very rudely to me. Oh, Tofu, your intention was not wrong, but you should not give unsolicited advice to people who are not willing to understand. You get my point? I don't understand, Tia. Come on, don't be upset. Let's get an ice cream and I will tell you a story on the way home. Okay, Tia. The Birds and the Monkeys. Once upon a time, on the banks of a river, there stood a huge tree, providing a comfortable home for a family of birds. The birds had built their nests on its branches and lived happily, sheltered from the scorching sun and heavy rains. Ah, what a beautiful, wonderful tree we have! Our nests are safe and dry, thanks to its widespread branches. Yes, indeed, we are fortunate to have found such a haven. We are protected from the rain and the cold. Meanwhile, dark clouds covered the sky and it began to rain heavily. Some monkeys who were playing nearby sought shelter under the tree. They were drenched and shivering from the cold. Brr, this rain is unbearable. Let's take shelter under this tree until it stops. Yes, let's get out of this rain. Hopefully, we'll be safe here. Look, the poor monkeys are shivering. Perhaps they should have built their own shelter like we did. You're right. If they had built a home, they wouldn't have to suffer like this. They have hands and legs after all. What did those birds just say? They think they're so smart, living comfortably while we suffer? They're mocking us because they have their nests. Just wait until the rain stops. We'll teach them a lesson they won't forget. As soon as the rain subsided, the monkeys climbed up the tree with fury in their eyes. They destroyed the nests of the birds, broke their eggs, and even threw the young ones down. Oh no! Our nests! Our eggs! What have they done? Our little ones, they have caused us great pain. We never should have given advice that was not asked for. You're right. We thought we were being helpful, but instead we brought destruction upon ourselves. The poor birds flew around in misery, realizing the consequence of their unsolicited advice. They understood that advice should only be given to those who ask for it and who are wise enough to understand its value. We have learnt a valuable lesson. It's not our place to offer advice to fools who are not willing to listen. Yes, indeed. Let us remember this and be cautious with our words in the future. We must only offer guidance to those who seek it and are open to receiving it. So, what do you think of this story, Tofu? I liked it, Tia. I learnt an important lesson. And what is it? Never ever give advice to fools. I hope you understand my point now. Yes, I do. Thanks, Tia.
For your favorite rhymes, stories, and more, join Kids Hat family. Subscribe here.